Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to delete a file in OneDrive. It's a very simple thing. Before we begin, it's good to know that OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, which helps you store and manage files online securely. The first thing is open the browser, and in the search bar, simply search for OneDrive. You can use any browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, whichever you prefer. Once you will search for it, on the top you will see the official website of OneDrive. If I will click on it, I will get access to the OneDrive website, where it will ask to sign in or create your account. Don't forget to make sure you're visiting the official Microsoft site to avoid any fake websites. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar for a secure connection. So if you have an account, then tap on the option Sign In and log in with that account in which you want to delete files. And if you don't have any, then create your account. You can see I have my OneDrive account. This one is the first interface that you will see. The dashboard is user-friendly, and all your files will be neatly arranged by folder or date. Now, how can we delete our files? If you take a look on the left side, you will see different options. This option is My File, Photos, Shared and Recycle Bin, and I want to delete my files, so that's why I click on the option My File. This section shows all the documents, pictures, and videos you've uploaded. And here you will see some files which I have in my drive in order to delete. Simply click on this tick icon and you can select as much as you want. If you select multiple, then do like me. You can even hold the Control key on your keyboard to select multiple files faster. And on the top, you can see the icon Delete. Click on it. The delete icon usually looks like a small trash bin, so it's easy to spot. Once you will click on the option Delete, these files will be deleted from your drive and it will be in the recycle bin for next 30 days, and after that it will be removed permanently. During those 30 days, if you change your mind, you can always restore the files from the recycle bin. It's a great safety feature in case you accidentally delete something important. So make sure you want to delete these files, and that's it. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you. Don't forget to double-check your files before deleting to avoid losing anything valuable.